Hey folks, James from Bommer here with another video. Today we're going to be talking about how you can use Bommer and Google Drive file stream to set up a process to let you automatically share your exported BOMs with members of your team via Google Drive. So let's get started. So here we have our shared folder, and within this folder we see the latest camera slider BOM that we're going to send to ZeusTech. Once we open this, we see, wait, there's a mistake here. The description field should say see attached drawing, not the vendor. Well, time to go into SOLIDWORKS and fix this problem. Lucky for us, Bommer makes fixing this kind of problem exceedingly simple. So first thing we're going to do is find the description column. I click the top of it and hit Control Space to select the whole column. I start to type see attached drawing as per the requirements. I hit Enter, and now we see that the column reflects what should be on there. Now to export. So we go to Save As, which should export it. The template's already loaded. I update the quote number since this is the second quote. And I remember that ZeusTech requires a minimum order quantity of 5. So I change this to 5 to make sure everything's correct. Current visible rows, and I hit OK. And now I pick the same file in the same folder because this is how Google File Stream will update the proper file so that everyone with the link can see it. So I overwrite it, and that's it. And simple as that, the BOM's been updated. Now if we look at our old BOM right here, I'm going to hit back. I'm going to hit refresh because this act is what will actually update the latest BOM that I am looking at. And now I double click this. And we can see the description field has been updated and that our order quantity has also been updated. Everything matches. These changes will be reflected in anyone that has access to this folder or has a link to this file directly. But that's all I have for now, folks. As always, I'll include some useful links in the description below, such as how to set up your own Google File Stream with your team, as well as how to get Bommer if you do not already have it. Also, if you're new to Bommer, please check out some of our older videos and like, comment, subscribe, give us all that feedback. We really do pay attention. It really does help us make a better product. But for now, have an awesome day.